Hey, so we've got this problem, and it wants us to use transformation of functions to get this graph right here. Right? I'm sorry, I got a little kitten up here on the table, and he's playing with some papers. So anyway, um, we have f of x right here is equal to x cubed. All right, and um, if you look at this function that they gave us, this f of x is equal to -4 minus negative x plus 4 cubed. We have a couple of different stuff that we can do. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try and minimize the amount of negative signs that I see, because the negative signs are going to, they kind of mess me up myself. So whenever I see, right here, I'm gonna try and make this x positive. So I have negative x plus 4 cubed. This is the same as -1 times x minus 4, all of that cubed, which is the same as -1 cubed times x minus 4 cubed, which is negative x minus 4 cubed. All right, so I'm going to plug this whole thing in for right here where I have this curly bracket, and I'm going to get f of x is equal to -4 minus x minus 4 cubed, which is -4 plus x minus 4 cubed. All right. I know it's a kind of a silly thing to kind of go around and do, but it reduces the number of negative signs that I've got. Before, we had these two negative signs right here, and that might have confused me, but now I just have this one negative sign right here inside my cubed part. So what that means is that from now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all the different parts that I have. I've got negative -4, and I have -4 here, where I've just underlined. So looking at this first -4, that means I'm going to take all of the points along my function and move them down 4 units. So it's going to look something like this, I guess, something like this, something like that. All right, that's that first one. Boom, taken care of. The second one, the -4, tells me I'm going to take all of my points and move them to the right 4 units. So it'll look something like this. Something like that. And that would be my final answer. Because this -4 right here, that I'm kind of bold underlining, if I had g of x is equal to x cubed, this -4 would be g of x minus 4 equals x minus 4 cubed. All right. And so this one right here in red on this graph would be my final answer.